evaluate limit of tan kh all over tan mh as h tends to 0. So we have this to solve. Solution: the limit of tan kh all over tan mh as h tends to 0. As h tends to 0. So that is to tell us that this k and m are constant that are actually given there. They are constant that are given there. So for us to actually factor some of them, this k out and this m out, so we multiply the numerator by km, multiply the denominator by km. If we do that, we will be having this. We'll be having this to be equals to m. We're having this to be equals to m. Then we have when we actually go ahead with this, we'll be having k. We'll be having k here, so we can bring out factor out k. So what I intend doing here is that at the end of the day, we will be having because we know that limit of x as x tends to 0 for sine x all over x is equals to 1. So that is what I intend doing, so that at the end of the day we have something like this. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to bring out this k out here, then bring out this m out here. So I will have in this, so that I will have k over m, use it to multiply a limit of h as a limit of h tends to 0 into, we rearrange this now. So this will become tan kh all over k, then times m all over tan mh. So we'll be having that tan mh. So this is what we are going to have at the end of the day. So when we factor out k and m out there, we'll be left with this, so that this over this over this will give us 1, this will give us 1, because this is the same thing as, even if we turn this to be 1 all over sine x, it's still going to give us 1 as long as x tends to 0. So we're still going to have 1 at the end of the day. So this will become k over m. Now the limit of this as h tends to 0 of this one is 1 times the limit of this as the h tends to 0, we'll be having 1. So if you multiply that, k over m times all this, we have k over m to be the answer to this question. So you go over it. If you have a question along the line, maybe there's a line you didn't really understand, feel free to ask and I will respond.